Okay, Neely, today we're going to put you up to the test. I want to see how long it takes you to build a website for my coffee shop. I'm giving you 5 minutes, and I'm about to hit go on this timer. You ready?
I'm definitely charging you a premium if I have to build a website in 5 minutes, but I'm ready.
Okay, all right. Starting the timer and go.
All right, so let's go ahead and build your website. So we want to start building a brand new site. We want to offer a blog post so you can talk about your awesome coffee, and you provide information. If you want anything else, I'm going to need to add a couple more minutes onto this challenge here, but we'll keep it simple for now. Site is optimized for speed. You're in the California area, so North America is fine. For the sake of speed, we'll use a GoDaddy template. And I believe there's a coffee shop option already here for you, but there's lots of ones to kind of get you started and going.
Oh, yeah, that one looks sharp.
But barista it is. Your username. So never use admin or administrator, but we'll change this once we're actually done with the site so your site's a little bit more secure. And then this update process, now it's installing the WordPress onto the server, updating all the settings, and importing that awesome template to help us kind of speed up the process of building a website. There's still a lot that goes into it, but this at least makes it a little bit easier. All right, now that it is up and running, I'll go ahead and close out of the template, but you can see that the template has been added. All your awesome coffee is here. We even have Yoast pre-installed with our environment, so you can update your search engine descriptions. So now there's a lot you can do with the editing experience itself. Like editing the image is pretty simple. You would just click on the image and an option appears to replace it, or adding content in. Up here, this little plus is where you can add in all of your extra content. So whether it's paragraphs or headings or quotes, more images, things like that, you can do that here. This is referred to as like the block editor. So like think of these as like Lego pieces. So you keep adding different blocks and blocks to build out your website and layout. But if we were to just use just the base template without editing any of the content, it would essentially look like this. And you don't have to worry about this not secure. It's basically installing that SSL in like the back end. It just takes a little bit longer. That way it doesn't prevent you from going in and doing it. But all right, that's it. That's your website, right? No other customizations needed. I can win this 5-minute challenge, or do you want me to edit some more?
Well,
I think I should edit some
more. It works. It looks sharp. It's under 5 minutes. Well done, Neely.
I got to make it you though. So let's edit some text just to show you how easy this is. Not typing edit. Emma's got to make it personalized in you. The more you can really talk about yourself, and you're not in a like a conceited way, but like talk about who you are, like your story, your why, the better. Because people can buy from anywhere. They want to buy from someone they relate to and resonate with. So you want to have like your personal approach. So I would probably put your coffee here too, but also maybe a picture of your shop or your location. I sent you that Dropbox. You still haven't sent those over to me. I'm waiting for the images, Emma. Don't be one of those clients.
Wow, way to call me out. I want to have our mantra, kickstart your morning with us.
Okay.
Coffee in front, ramps in the back.
So this template doesn't necessarily have that option, but let me go ahead and just add the content. The template is a starting point. It's getting me to what we actually need. Let me go ahead and look at the layout, and I want to add a hero section. And I can use the arrows right here to move it up or down. Let's move it up. What was your mantra? Kickstart what?
Kickstart your morning with us.
Perfect.
Coffee in front. Ramps in the back.
Why not?
Why not? Either way.
With your website, what do you want people to do when they get to your site? Are you wanting to get them the butts in seats, or you want them to just send you an email, set up an appointment with your shop? Like, what are you trying to get them to do?
I mean, yeah, I definitely want them to come visit and enjoy the appeal of the coffee and the skateboard ramps in the back. So yeah, visit us is great. I think another thing we're really trying to push would be our gift cards. And so definitely with, holidays around the corner, I think having an option to purchase a gift card makes it great for folks that can't necessarily make it in today to wake up with us.
Okay, I like that. So we'll have those main call to actions there. I'll increase the height a little bit, maybe not that much. Probably center the content since the rest of the content's kind of centered. And then let's add some type of image to the background here. Why not? Let's do that one. So we can't see any of the content here. So we want to make sure that we either darken it or lighten it. So under background settings, we can add some opacity. And then we're going to want to make sure that the color here is different. So the text, let's make the text white. Color, text, white. That one's fine, but this one has to change. There we go. Probably want to make the background there a different color than black. So we can choose a little image here. We can go with a red for now. So we have Kickstart Your Morning with Us. We added a custom section with your content, your call to actions. We have some other coffee information here. I'll let you go nuts and go wild with the personalizations, but we have the website. Technically, it's up and running where we have your Kickstart Your Morning with Us. I'll fix this padding because I think I added 2 sections when I added that one. But we have your site here. It does the job. It has your social links here. We can go in even more and talk about your awesome business and all your cool skate park tricks, your ramps, and everything else while you're drinking coffee. I still want to see you go down your ramps while you're sipping a little espresso in the smallest cup imaginable without spilling anything. But you have your site. Ultimately, your site is another representation of your business. The more that you show off who you are, what you do, why you do it, and make it easy for people to do whatever it is that you want them to do. For you, it's visit you. So find out your location and purchase gift cards, the better. Make sure that experience is first and foremost. Don't have them hunting around on the site. But I'll spend a little bit more time on this for you just because I like you, Emma, and I'll make this a little bit more personalized for you.
All right. Thanks, Neely. It looks sharp and I feel more confident going in the next time I want to edit. Well, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 300 videos for you to check out.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and give me tips on how to make this site better. This is The Journey, and I'll see you next time.